So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So let's see what Euro GBP is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So now let's start with the trend right here. On this Euro GBP, you can see that market is dropping to target support level. Now this is our key main levels. This is our key levels. Now pay attention to this movement right here, guys. Market was able to give us multiple rejection zone around this level, right? Give us multiple rejection at this level, which pushed up, right? Market eventually dropped again to retest the same level. Guess what market did? Market rejected from this level and bounced up, right? Market has now dropped to tap it again. Guess what market did? Market rejected again. We saw a rejection, right? That made market to push up, right? The market eventually dropped again to tap it. Then it gave us another rejection that pushed up, right? Market has now dropped again to tap it right here. So market has literally dropped to tap our support level. So we should be expecting a rejection from this support level for it to push up. So what we are trying to say is that a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP. So Euro GBP should be giving us a bullish move. But for now, market is trending downward. So we should expect it to continue the movement downward. So this can be seen as your low, and this is the lower high. This can also be seen as a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? So with this lower high, we should expect what market to drop one more time to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So above all, the movement to the downside is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP.